Welcome to Academy of Learning Career College North York campus. Are you ready to turn your passion for technology into a rewarding career? The PC Support Specialist Diploma program is your gateway to becoming a skilled IT professional. Whether you're looking to jumpstart your career or level up your skills, this program is designed to set you on the path to success. The program equips you with in-depth knowledge of both computer hardware and software, preparing you to tackle challenges in office environments with confidence. You'll gain hands-on experience in troubleshooting computer problems, assembling PCs, and mastering essential IT skills. Plus, the program prepares you for globally recognized certifications, including CompTIA A+, Network Plus, and Server Plus. For those aiming higher, the qualifications pave the way to advanced certifications like MCSA. PC support specialists are in high demand across industries. By enrolling in this program, you'll gain the skills needed to become a vital part of any organization's IT team. Take the first step toward an exciting career in technology today. Your future as a trusted IT expert starts here. Contact us at 647-494-5544 or email us at info@aolccnorthyork.com.